One. Hey guys, I'm back, and today I am joined with
hgames711. I don't know my YouTube channel.
So today I am Skyping Haley
hgames711 with a capital E.
and playing MSP. I cannot see if my face cam is working because it's just a gray screen for me. So hopefully it is. So yeah, I think I already said we're playing Movie Star Planet. I'm dying.
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, go subscribe to her. I got $50 today, so leave a like if when my VIP expires, I should buy a $30 gift card so I can get 3 months VIP. Leave a comment if I should save my money.
Or buy me a VIP too.
No.
Hey, I bought you so many VIPs.
Wasn't I the one who bought like our last VIP with the iTunes? Not this one, but like the last one. When I had that like $20 iTunes and it was the sale.
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure you owe me a VIP.
No, I don't.
I just bought you your VIP.
Wait, what? Hey, you couldn't have gotten if I didn't give you that $5.
I didn't have to give you a VIP.
Then I would have asked for my $5 back.
I still could have got myself one. Bro, there's an Ari hair giveaway.
Dude,
bro,
you freaking
One
looked.
time. Honor me one time. No refunds. Winner be announced in a couple days.
What page is it?
Page 24 of new.
24.
Yeah. I've been looking at giveaways. Oh, guys. I'm going to be doing mail time on my channel soon, and I need gifts. So, if you want to send me gifts at hgames711 on Movie Star Planet, feel free to do that. They're always welcome and appreciated, and you will be getting a shout out. Think they'll send me gifts, Fiona?
No. Get her to 50 subscribers, though.
I'm at 40 subscribers. It's like irking my soul.
So, I'm sad I only have 11, so I need at least 10 of you guys to go and subscribe to her so she gets 50. Ooh, giveaway. I'm giving out one of each. If you have them already, don't ask for like and comment. You should get one of these words. No lame sad stories or you get this all guide. Sarah for your friends. Marissa gets Ari hair for her funny comment. Jerma got glitter hair.
My puppy's awake.
She said she wants funny, and I'm the queen of the world.
So what exactly is this channel doing? Like, what are you doing on the channel today?
MSC.
No, like, what exactly are you doing?
We're kind of just looking at artworks and going to chat rooms. Oh, also, leave a like and hit the bell if you like my new outro.
No.
She hates, why don't we so?
Oh my god, I want to open all my gifts so bad. Like,
Do you see, this is why you shouldn't give her gifts. She'll open them before she gets to mail time.
No, I won't. Like, I've been saving my gifts for like 3 months now. And I finally hit 40. And I'm like, it's like irking my soul because I have so many.
Haley?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pause my video for a second. Now I am. Okay, guys.
Oh my god, unblock me.
I did!
Oh. Oh, yeah, okay. Don't do that. Here, we'll give you an auto on my backup account. I don't know why my person looks like this.
I don't know, Haley. Why?
I don't know. I really don't.
I have a pig, and her name is Dina, and I'm taking a picture and sending it to Dana.
I have a pig named Orange.
I'm gonna go, hey Dana, like my pig, it's you. I'm gonna say, Dana, I have a pet you.
$1,000 drink top on your wish list. Wait, is it still in stores?
I'm gonna say, Dana, what are you doing in the video game?
Is the drink top still in stores?
I don't think so. Dana! Thank goodness I found you. What were you doing in a video game? That was so funny though when Alex was like,
the group hat is still in stores.
But it was so funny when Alex was like, yeah, I know, I figured out what game you were playing, that movie star shit, and I'm like, no. Why are you lying?
The hat is still in stores, so that means
Yeah, but the hat came out later than the shirt. Sorry, Haley hasn't been on for a while, except for when she was on. Oh my god, Layla Connors is online. Should I say hi to YouTube?
Where's the shirt? I want it.
Ask Layla, goes, hey, can you say hi to YT? I'm recording. Guys, subscribe to Sunday. She's so kind and she friended me. It's so sweet.
I have her friended.
Did she accept it?
Yeah, she's done my friend.
Since when?
I don't know. Somehow she's like randomly my friend. I don't remember friending her, but she's my friend. Can you hear her brain?
No.
It's like downpouring.
It doesn't sound like it is on my side of town. It was downpouring earlier.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're happy and you know it, and you want to kill Haley, you show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
What'd you say?
Cow.
You want to be a cow?
Yeah.
I want to be a Dana.
Ew.
No, because it's a pig.
Still. Ew.
I hope Dana finds this when we're older and she's like, wow, I feel insulted. This bitch Kate lol XX22 says she doesn't know if she can try with the VIP again. A little does she know, I can make a private thing showing you guys. No, I'm not that mean. I'm not Haley. You're welcome. Has anyone ever sucked on their charger? I do it all the time.
How do you not hear the rain?
I can't hear it. Was that the rain?
Already, I'm gonna go shut my window because it is down, pouring. I mean Hurricane Tortillas out here.
Hurricane Katrina, more like Hurricane Tortilla. I went into a chat room today and people were doing that and I go, road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Hurricane Tortilla out there. I mean, If you're happy and you know it and you really wanna shout, you're happy and you know it, eat a cow.
Oh my God, Brian. So I had this, thing with my husband's. Daniel's really my brother, but, my favorite's Daniel. All three of them are my favorite. And then, they're all mine! Love them. Who even? They're all hot as fuck.
My YouTube channel has 40 subscribers.
Brian goes, husbands? Yes, Brian, they are my husbands. What the hell, girl? You that hot? Aw. Stop!
What?
Stop!
Shut up.
Stop! No promos. I am not sponsored by you. That's me!
Why do you post them?
Because I wanted to, because the Beatles are bae.
So, this is actually take two. Because, yeah, I'm my divorce friend back there.
Kill me.
Here. I'm sorry.
Me. Kill me.
You have a lot of slime videos.
Yee.
Daily life of a slime scammer.
Yeah.
What the heck?
It was a trend on YouTube, Haley. Jeez.
So next, he asked for a 2-ounce slime, $8, a pink one.
Oh, now I hear the rain.
I'll give her this one. It's kind of dried out and doesn't really stretch, but kind of coats. So, yeah, $8. You're a terrible slime scammer.
I know. Should I buy this clear slime from Sienna Calvinese?
I should do a talent giveaway.
Oh, her followers are 69.
What?
Sienna Calvinese's followers are 69.
That would hurt my soul. Are you done recording?
No. I'm leaving now. Bye, so bye. I'm Fred now. Bye.